Garlic has long been celebrated not just for its culinary uses, but also for its impressive economic potential. As global demand for garlic continues to rise, farmers and entrepreneurs are searching for the varieties that promise the highest yields and profits. Whether you're a seasoned grower or just starting out, choosing the right garlic variety can make all the difference in your success. In this guide, we'll uncover the top 5 most profitable garlic varieties, considering factors like market value, yield, storage, and adaptability. Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub, where we empower you with the knowledge to make smart choices for your agricultural journey. Let's begin by understanding why garlic is such a powerful crop for profit. Garlic is a staple in kitchens worldwide, prized for its flavor, health benefits, and versatility. Its long shelf life, ability to be grown in diverse climates, and relatively low input costs make it an attractive option for small-scale and commercial farmers alike. But not all garlic varieties are created equal. The difference between a good harvest and a great one often comes down to choosing the right type for your region, market demand, and growing conditions. Now, let's dive into the top 5 most profitable garlic varieties you should consider for your next planting season. Number 1 on our list is the music garlic. Known for its robust flavor, large bulbs, and excellent adaptability, music garlic is a hardneck variety that consistently commands high prices at local markets and specialty stores. Originating from Canada, music garlic thrives in cooler climates and is favored by organic growers for its resistance to common pests and diseases. The bulbs are typically large, with 4 to 6 plump cloves each. This means less labor during harvest and processing, and more weight per bulb for selling. Music garlic's shelf life is impressive, lasting up to 6 months when properly cured. Its strong, spicy flavor appeals to chefs and home cooks alike, making it a favorite at farmers markets and gourmet shops. If you're looking for a variety that offers high yields, disease resistance, and premium market appeal, music garlic is a smart choice. Coming in at number 2 is the California early garlic. This softneck variety is renowned for its adaptability and high productivity. It's the backbone of commercial garlic production in California, one of the world's largest garlic-producing regions. California early matures quickly, allowing farmers to stagger plantings and harvests for consistent supply. The bulbs are medium to large, with many cloves, often 12 to 18 per bulb, making it ideal for processing and bulk sales. Its mild flavor is perfect for everyday cooking, and its long shelf life, up to 9 months, means less waste and more profit. California early is also tolerant of warmer climates, making it a versatile choice for growers in different regions. Its high yield and reliable market demand make it one of the most profitable garlic varieties for both small and large-scale operations. Number 3 is the red Toch garlic. This striking variety hails from the Republic of Georgia and has gained popularity for its beautiful appearance and sweet, mild flavor. Red Toch is a softneck garlic, producing large bulbs with pinkish red streaks that stand out in the marketplace. Its flavor is less pungent than other varieties, making it a favorite among those who enjoy garlic's health benefits without the intense heat. Red Toch is well suited for mild climates and performs reliably in regions with warm winters. The bulbs store well for up to 8 months, and their unique appearance commands premium pricing at specialty food stores and farmers markets. If you're looking to differentiate your product and attract customers willing to pay more for visual appeal and mild flavor, Red Toch is an excellent choice. Our 4th pick is the Chesnok Red garlic. This hardneck variety is beloved by chefs and foodies for its exceptional flavor and versatility. Originating from the Republic of Georgia, Chesnok Red is often called the chef's garlic because of its rich, sweet taste and ability to hold its shape and flavor when roasted or cooked. The bulbs are medium to large, with 8 to 12 cloves each, and their deep purple skins make them visually appealing. Chesnok Red is hardy, tolerating cold winters and resisting many common garlic diseases. Its robust growth and reliable yields make it a favorite among organic and market gardeners. While its shelf life is slightly shorter, around 5 to 6 months, it more than makes up for this with its high demand and premium price. For those targeting specialty markets and restaurants, Chesnok Red is a profitable and rewarding variety. Rounding out our top 5 is the Inchelium Red garlic. This softneck variety was discovered in Washington state and has since become a staple of American garlic production. Inchelium Red consistently wins taste tests thanks to its mild, buttery flavor and smooth texture. The bulbs are large and heavy, with many cloves, sometimes up to 20 per bulb, making it ideal for bulk processing and value-added products like garlic powder and paste. Inchelium Red is well adapted to a variety of climates and soil types, making it a reliable choice for growers nationwide. Its outstanding storage capacity, up to 10 months, means growers can sell their harvest well into the off-season, maximizing profits. The combination of high yield, excellent flavor, and long-lasting shelf life makes Inchelium Red one of the most profitable garlic varieties available today. So, how do you choose the best variety for your farm or garden? Start by considering your local climate, soil conditions, and market preferences. Hardneck garlics like Music and Chesnok Red thrive in colder regions and offer unique flavors, while softneck types such as California Early, Red Toch, and Inchelium Red perform well in warmer climates and store longer. Talk to local buyers, chefs, and market managers to learn what varieties are in demand in your area. Experiment with small test plantings to see which types grow best under your conditions. It's also important to focus on quality. Healthy, disease-free seed garlic is essential for a successful crop. Invest in certified seed from reputable suppliers and practice crop rotation and proper soil management to reduce the risk of pests and diseases. Proper curing and storage are key to preserving garlic's quality and market value. After harvest, allow bulbs to dry in a well-ventilated space for several weeks. Then store them in a cool and dry place to maximize shelf life. Marketing can make a significant difference in your garlic profits. Highlight unique features such as flavor, appearance, and organic certification when selling to local markets, restaurants, and specialty stores. Consider value-added products like garlic braids, powders, and infused oils to increase revenue. Build relationships with buyers and educate customers about the benefits of your garlic varieties. In summary, the top 5 most profitable garlic varieties: Music, California Early, Red Toch, Chesnok Red, and Inchelium Red, each offer unique advantages for growers seeking high yields, strong market demand, and attractive pricing. By choosing the right variety, focusing on quality, and connecting with your market, you can turn garlic into a powerful profit engine for your farm or business. Thank you for joining us at SMART-AGRI Hub. Stay tuned for more tips, insights, and strategies to help you thrive in the world of modern agriculture. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your fellow growers and subscribe for more expert advice. Here's to your success and a bountiful garlic harvest.